So मेरा यही तक काम था. This is Riyesh Patel signing off. But before I sign off, right? Closing comments करने होंगे. And who better than one of the organizers of today's event, right? With a huge round of applause, can I please have Mehul Patel on the stage, guys? Come on!
ஏய் இங்க நினைச்ச உன்னை கண்ட துண்டமா வெட்டி கழிச்சு போட்டுடுவேன். ஒக்கோ
Come on, guys!
ஒக்கோ டைகர்
This couldn't be the better feeling ever, where there is an engineer who perform over here, right, and shows how creative our field is, right. So huge round of applause for all the speakers, all the participants, all the volunteers. Cheers! You guys deserve this. You guys really, really deserve this, right? Because without you, and I couldn't think the better version of this, where so amazing speakers shared and the entire team, all the volunteers do. I didn't know that they have created this video. We just played to you guys, which can show the dedication that each and every member have towards everyone who's sitting over here. And I can sure, आज तो पैसा वसूल हुआ होगा. So, I hope कि आपने सारे के सारे सेशन एंजॉय किए. दिस इज द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ सेशन वेयर मैं आपको कोई टेक्निकल जार्गन नहीं बताने वाला हूँ, राइट, वेयर हम लोग 1-to-1 बात करेंगे, 1-on-1, कि हाउ वी डिड दिस, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट ऑल मैटर्स. और बिना टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज के कोई चीज़ पूरी नहीं हो सकती, बरोबर है, बिकॉज हम भी जब सर्वर पे सब पुश करते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ तो ब्रेक हो ही जाता है, और ब्रेक होने के बाद फिक्स भी हो जाता है. And that's what engineer called, because there is no end of cloud. Its cloud is beyond that, right? And like our career is, cloud doesn't have a boundary. And I'm sure in the entire day, you talk to so many folks, I'm sure, because so many people came over here, I've seen some of the folks who having a round, लोगों से बात कर रहे थे, and the best part was, there is an actual discussion happening between the professionals, students, who are people who are working and really looking forward, because today we have people who are newly joined, have 1 or 2 years of experience, people who are students who are learning and about to graduate, people who have a decade of experience to building and ship the application, and they are brainstorming it. This, as an engineer, this couldn't be the happier place, you know. This is the best thing that I've seen today. And for me, networking is all communication and collaboration. हम लोग communicate तो करते, but the collaboration that we done, this is the collaboration that we were looking for, right? हम लोग बात करने के बाद बात छोड़ बहुत जल्दी देते हैं, right? Collaboration is something that you always look for, because without communication and collaboration, there's no networking at all. कल जब आप किसी को पिंग करोगे, मैसेज करोगे, right? They will be able to reply you because you build that connection. They have a reference. LinkedIn पे कोई cold DM करेगा और accept करने का chances बहुत कम है. but there was some reference that something that you talk, something that you work together, something that you attended, something that you cherish, something that you achieve, something that even didn't work at all. So many things that we planned today didn't work. Something we planned didn't work at all. But I was hopeful for the, out of 10 things, I was hopeful for the 2 things that work for us.
Yes, that's it. Yeah.
वापिस बन. Okay. So as I said, out of 100 registration, we got 48% are professional. I think, again, huge round of applause for all the people who think that this could be the place where they really want to be. Because whenever I go, even I go as a speaker to attend, maximum people that I found is students, and that's incredibly good. But as a speaker, this is the problem that I found. As a speaker, I cannot address everyone. I cannot address everyone. It is very hard. But when I have a room of people who are professionals, they are here to also cater them, because they need someone to talk to. They need someone to guide as well. They need someone to tell them, hey, I'm looking for this. Because बहुत टाइम ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग घर पे किसी को नहीं बता पाते कि मुझे ये करना है, लेकिन किसी अनजान को तो बता सकते हैं कि यार मेरे को ये करना है, या आप मुझे बताओ कैसे कर सकते हैं. आई एम श्योर बहुत लोगों ने ऐसा पूछा होगा कि मुझे इस फील्ड में जाना है, या ये मुझे सीखना है, या तो आई माइट लुकिंग फॉर दिस समथिंग एल्स. बट व्हाट नेक्स्ट? So I have a couple of things, because see, if you do not have what next in your mind, that doesn't make sense at all, because people look for that. For example, if anyone wants to attend my next conference, if I do not have the clear vision of what next I'm planning, that doesn't make sense at all. Similarly, when we work in a personal or professional as well, if it doesn't clear what next we want to achieve. For example, let's say if a content creator creates some content, let's say if I create some content on DevOps and Cloud, and if I do not post what the next that I'm going to plan, what are the next series that I'm going to plan, what the next things I'm going to project I'm working on, you are not going to follow. Because I have to give you that clear vision what next I'm going to plan. So you should also have that vision. So what next? That could be, there are a couple of things that you can apply for. There is a Google Cloud Master Program, and this program is specifically for professional. Is similarly where you can incentivize by participating the Google Cloud ecosystems, labs, everything, right? And as a professional, you can incentivize. When I say incentivize, is actually cash, right? You can part of couple of activity, you have to submit that activity, and the rest is done. Okay, it's a similar account that most of you might have a Google Cloud Skill Boost account. So all you need to do is just scan this QR code and just register it, and that's it. There is nothing else, right? So jitne bhi log, there are aspiring engineers who already know the Google Cloud ecosystem, and even if you don't know, you can always learn, right? Because you will get some credits over there. You can definitely go for that and check that out. Another app that is गुजरात मतलब भाई यहाँ पे सारे के सारे बिजनेस वाले लोग हैं. मतलब कभी ना कभी, भले अभी नहीं करें, लेकिन कभी ना कभी तो बिजनेस करेंगे ना. बोला जैसे कि बिजनेस की पैसे की बात है, सबका आवाज निकल गया. So, and we really want, we need people who can create the opportunity. So Google for Startup, this accelerator program for Google Cloud, right? It's an app-based startup. If you have some idea, you are building some application, if you need Google Cloud as a support, so they will give you support by 3-month equity support, and all the rest of the things you can check out over here. The only 3 criteria, it is app-based startup based in India and seed to series as well. Even if you do not have the seed funding, before that also you will get some credits to even go from pre-seed to seed as well. You can scan this QR code and you can apply that as well before 15th August, because 15th August is the last day to apply. मैं सब आपके इसलिए शेयर कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं बोला ना व्हाट नेक्स्ट होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे जाने के बाद क्या करोगे? सारे सेशन अटेंड कर लिए, पता नहीं कितने लोगों से आपने बात किया है, नहीं किया, आई एम नॉट श्योर. आई होप कि सबसे किया हो, नहीं किया तो लिंक्डइन पे उनको मैसेज करो कि आपका सेशन मुझे अच्छा लगा. ये सेशन सारे रिकॉर्डेड हो रहे हैं, वो भी आएंगे. बट ट्रस्ट मी, यू शुड ऑल इंजॉय करना चाहिए, बट ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ योर करियर एज वेल, बिकॉज technology evolving so much. Every time, every day, there are new things is coming. And should we always be ready? अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग जब डेवऑप्स क्लाउड पे काम करते तब प्रोग्रामिंग का इतना ज़रूरी नहीं था, पर अभी प्रोग्रामिंग चाहिए. क्या बोलते हैं हर्ष भाई? पहले ज़रूर नहीं था. Why? Because people want to understand how we can better ship the application, and for that we need to understand the code, right? The AI comes, so many things, opportunities सब है, but all you need to understand how you can grab that opportunity by consistently doing what you are already doing it. Without this Avengers, I couldn't build this Marvel. So all our Avengers, all the volunteers, please use a round of applause.
Yeah. Awesome.
अभी मैंने एवेंजर का एग्जांपल इसलिए दिया बिकॉज आई एम अ मार्वल फैन, राइट? और ये अपने सारे एवेंजर से, हाँ, कैरेक्टर दिए नहीं है, वो खुद डिसाइड कर लेंगे, नहीं तो फिर क्या मारा मारी हो सकती है उसके लिए. कि पर सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर होगा कि थैनोस कौन बनेगा, वो तुम इंटरनली डिसाइड कर लेना और बता देना, राइट? That's so there are other volunteers as well, but might be not able to fit or we didn't get the photographs, so we did not put there. But I'm truly, really thankful to all the volunteers. Done a great job, right? Even whatever capacity of work that you guys have done. Our core team members, Viral Parmar. Where is Viral? Dijdesh Patel, Neil Shah, Mitesh Pokar. Mitesh is not here. Mitesh is a great example of how we work collaboratively. He's from GDG Nasik, and from there he's been continuously supporting and serving each and every step. But due to some medical reason, he couldn't be able to join over here. But even yesterday night at 2 a.m. when I reached home, I asked him some changes and I just put a voice note. When I woke up in the morning at 7 o'clock, I was ready actually. I woke up at 6 a.m. in the morning. Everything was done. So that kind of a dedication, and he told, and every volunteers, I spent so many times with them. रात को 1 बजे तक काम कर रहे, 2 बजे तक काम कर रहे, and everyone is up and, in our language we can say up and running, right? So I'm really obliged all of the work that you guys have done. Our rockstar speakers, again, huge clap for them because they traveled over here. I couldn't imagine the better panel from this, and they done a great job. I hope आप सबको मज़ा आया होगा. जितना मुझे feedback मिला है, I think all of you have enjoyed. अभी भी, they are still here. Few of speakers are left already. Few of still here. When you go and have tea or coffee, please go to them, ask them, chat with them what they are doing, what kind of project they are working. Maybe you can contribute to that project and showcase. But that's what is important. Our community partners, because without them, we couldn't reach the maximum audience. So I'm thankful to all the community partners that we have. Our gold sponsor, Resumax, who has been incredibly support throughout the journey. Our venue partner, UID, Karnavati University. And I would like to also give a special thanks to somebody who's present for the first time when I'm delivering a talk. And actually my mom presented right there. Because first time, yes mom, come. Can you help her, please? Yeah. So, it's been 2 years we shifted to Gandhinagar, and when I was in Nasik, I used to stay there, I used to travel a lot. I never get a chance when I'm speaking and my mom seated in front of me. Never happened. Last year when I talked to one conference, that time also we didn't there. And of course, when I was traveling out of India. But this time, it's a place where my mom is with me, and without her, and this is a great, right? You should always cheer this moment when you have. This is going to be the best place for you. And trust me guys, it's a great feeling. It's a great feeling when you achieved and then they appreciate and they're really proud what you're doing. And this is what I want everyone to do, that to make a promise that we will achieve something that people remember you. It feels really amazing when you come to something and people say, hey Mehul, I know you and you've done this and this is really appreciated. That's really moved a lot. And that's a feeling. ये मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता हूँ, that only you can feel it, right? And thank you Amit. ले जाओ, हाथ पकड़िए. My mom had some ligament problems, so she couldn't walk properly, but she took that efforts and my friends took that efforts to bring her over here. I stay very close to this university, so that's again a perk for me. But thank you mom. मजा आई? My mom is super happy today. I don't know, I guess આપણી ગુજરાતી મમ્મીઓ છે ને આજે કોલ કરીને બધાને કહેવાની છે આજે. અરે મારા દીકરાએ તો મને ઉપર બોલાયો તો સ્ટેજ ઉપર આજે. Because they like that a lot, right? Now, I wanted to tell you a story. Yes, this is true. Where 2.5 years back, I took the courage to start my own startup and it failed miserably. And I had loss of, you can see that amount.
Yeah.
I couldn't say that to my mummy hamna marse, right? But why I'm bringing this over here? Because I posted this video and it gone viral, and my mom saw that video. And the best thing that happened at that time, my mom came to me and told me, do you need some help? Right? Like every mother and father, they said that, "Kai help જોઈએ છે? Do you need some help?" And that touched me a lot. And that moved me that this is not the stop moment for me. I have to keep on going, right? Because whenever we fail, we always stop working from that moment. Because आधा टाइम तो सोचने में ही चला जाता है ना? और ट्रस्ट में आप एक बार ट्राई करना, सुबह बैठो सोचने के लिए, शाम हो जाएगी, पता नहीं चलेगा, है ना? So I learned that what are the things that I don't want to do it, and the one thing also I learned कि मुझे रुकना नहीं, I have to keep on going. Where, if you remember this quote, great power comes with great responsibility. कौन से मूवी का है? That was my first superhero film that I love, and the reason when I was failed in my startup, I was working freelance, and I got this opportunity to work and lead the Google Developer Group's Cloud Gandhinagar chapter. And I was not in that mood to do that, to be very honest. But I took that challenge. Okay, it's a responsibility where because I love community, I love to spend time with all the folks. I love to share my knowledge also. I love to hear what you guys been doing. I think this is the moment also I want to again start, because it's like 3 years of Grab. I was not engaging into the community. And I did that. I took that as a responsibility, but it was never a challenge. Why? Because great power with great responsibility. But one of my favorite is there is always choice. You always have a choice. You always have a choice कि आपको ये करना है या नहीं करना है. मेरे पास ये चॉइस था कि मैं बोल देता नहीं करना है. It is very easy to यार नहीं मना करना, but it is very difficult to pull this where it is a only 1 year old community, and I was drastically been occupied with lot of things. And when I started this community, it's a year old community. The one of the things that people ask me so many up here as well, कि how you pulled so many professionals, because this is something that you have to know. So what I did is I tried to work with a lot of corporate companies over here, and I collaboratively work with them. So what worked for me, when I announced that I'm going to do CCD, I reached out to all the companies. Even in some companies, GIFT City, Gandhinagar, Ahmedabad, all my people in my network, they also helped me a lot. And I started pitching them. I don't want you to sponsor me. I want you to just encourage your employee to be part of this, so that the people who are coming to this conference, they also get benefited. And the people who are coming to this event, they also learn from the speakers that because they might be looking for some shift and lift in their life, in the professional career. एंड दैट वर्क फॉर मी कि मेरा मार्केटिंग तो कंपनी ने ही कर दिया, मेरे को करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, एंड दैट इज़ द रिजल्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू. एंड देन as you can see, we have incredible team now who done a great job, and that is the result that you seen and achieve what you seeing right now कि ये अपना end result है. पर अभी पिक्चर बाकी है मेरे दोस्त, बिकॉज अभी तो स्टार्ट किया है, आगे काम करना है ना, काम करना है ना. So what I want is next time take some efforts, be a part of the team, and I want you to be come over here, take this stage, organize this, and have that feeling. Trust me, फेलिंग का भी अलग मज़ा है और सक्सेस का भी अलग मज़ा है, बट फेल होने के बाद जो सक्सेस मिलता है उसका मज़ा बहुत ही अलग है. I already felt that, right? And community helped me a lot to overcome this, and I know the power of community, how it could help each and everyone over here, because there are so many people who are helping each other. Refer them, right? So करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे? चाय मिलेगा? करेंगे? करेंगे? बस. I wanted to invite all the volunteers if they can come and join us on stage. All the volunteers, all the team members. Please. Please clap for this.
I mean, this system.
रखना रखना. आ जाओ. और एक चीज आपने नोटिस की, जैसे मैंने इनको बोला है ना, तुरंत फोटो पोज में बैठ गए, है ना? क्योंकि फोटो जरूरी है. Guys, can we have a clap for these Avengers? Once more क्या करे भाई, मुजरा कर रहे थे. हाँ, अपने आप को मुगले आजम, हमको अनारकली समझ लियो बे. कितना नचाओगे? अभी 6 बजने वाले हैं.
What's that?
I'll invite you on the stage later.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, all the people. I really appreciate all the work that you have done. और एक फोटो लेना है? क्या लेना है? Sorry? कौन सा? हेलो.
ठीक है, ओके. सो एक रिवाज है, जैसे सुबह बताते हैकर्स मीटअप का, वैसे आज यहाँ शुरू करते हैं हम जीडीजी क्लाउड के गांधीनगर के साथ. तो मैं बोलूँगा जीडीजी क्लाउड, आपको बोलना है गांधीनगर. ठीक है? ठीक है, वीडियो बनेगा भाई, वीडियो. ओके, जीडीजी क्लाउड डन. आ गया ना, वीडियो आ गया. वंस मोर. ओके, ठीक है. जीडीजी क्लाउड डन. ओके, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू. ओके, आप लोग बैठिए. ठीक है,
Just scan this QR code and you can join the WhatsApp community of GDG Cloud, right? And also we are going to send email to each and everyone with all the details, speaker, deck, demos, and also this talk is also going to be live in next 14 to 15 days. You can join the community, and trust me, do not wait कि कोई आपको काम या कोई आपको हेल्प मांगे. Always offer your help, because that's the best way to engage. आणि मंडळ आपला आभारी आहे.